From the jump, click that like, subscribe, share. Thank you.
Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong.
I'm in the X7, whole neck glitter. A cold world made the tech shiver. Don't contest that. I be at where you rest at. So many chains on.
Go ahead and follow Shpordeez. Now sit back and enjoy the video.
That Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
You motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'd rather die than to listen to you. My DNA not for imitation. Your DNA an abomination. This how I this will do.
God, you know, I'm Rose Dolo, stay, ha ha. But God, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to link up with those kids like I did, that's all.
You're now listening to A&A music.
As usual and nothing unusual. I've benefited most by leveraging others to achieve my goals in this industry. And those who have stuck it out with me and followed at least half my instructions have prevailed. This young man has been with me as well, and since a young teen. When A&A first visited, this young boy was at the boat dock cleaning cars with us. I'm talking almost 4 years ago. It's a reason why he's still with me and sticking around. Like his dad and brothers, they all finish what they start. This young man's always contacted me in advance and announced his availability, whether for a day or a weekend. Nobody had to tell him to go get it. He know my number, and when he not doing a sport, he hits me up. Bull just got his license too. season. Love saying that. Days getting longer, time about to spring up, sun up to sundown. Gonna be a different approach on my side. Still investing, just heavier in the others. Gotta take that back seat, pour more into others, connect even more. Build my team, reach even further. Power is taken, not given. No struggle, no progress. Rinse and repeat. I ain't got nothing else going on. Been doing this too long, this all I know. I love this shit. Hard to compare with a feeling like this, but I encourage all to join. Not trying to be rich alone, you dig?